Bakit si Gabi Concepcion lagi na lang di nakasal? Mabuti pa ang mga snatcher, palaging may nakahabang. La 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 la.
Ito mga nagsusugal rito, hulihin nyo. Barangay, barangay. Wala huntong to, walang tong. Ganon, magsusugal yan. Hulihin nyo. Bawal po yan.
Nagkakabilang po ako.
Sako! 7. Ang birthday celebrators natin, si Edna Paterno at si Marcy Dalde. Okay? Happy birthday!
Pag nakikita ko ng mag-asawa dito, naiingit ako. May pag-asa pala ang love. Oy, walang forever. Hindi, pag nakikita ko sila, may forever.
Yeah. Hindi, ano lang more blessings and peaceful life.
Long life.
God bless you.
And guide you on your way. Good luck, God bless you and keep you. The lemon tree, if I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old tree.
She gets far too hungry, waiting for dinner ready. She adores the feeling, doesn't come in.
Ilang taon na yan?
67.
Di ba kala ko 50 lang yan? 67 ka na pala?
We pray that you give them continuous good health, peace of mind, a loving family, loving friends. May you bless the work of their hands. May you bless their hearts. may you give them peace of mind all the days of their life. And we thank you for this.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Palaging may naghahabol ang aking luma na computer.
Pucha, gumanda boss itong taong to ah. Nag-practice ah.
It can be beautiful to remember you're only a woman. Remember you're only a girl.
I ask you to stay around to hear what I might say. Would I see the answer in your eyes? Speechless. I know that it's so done to you. You see, I'm not responsible. I've been my fool. There's nothing I can do. You leave me speechless.
I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like having somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me. But you were there. You were everything I never seen. You brought me out from this long and endless sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there.